Alright, buckle up for a wild ride with JJ and the crew as we remember these 12 wild and crazy mnemonic phrases. DPMP, Draggin Power Made Perfect. Picture this, Larry Jeffers fine-tuning Ziptie to perfection, every chassis tweak and engine rev honed for that unbeatable Draggin power. We ain't just racing, we're dominating the strip. Intense speed. Imagine JJ in Olay Heavy, hitting the streets with that heart-pounding intensity, wheels spinning and adrenaline pumping. It's about speed with control, just like Steve Petty's precision tuning keeping it all in check. DPMP, drag power means plenty. When you hear DPMP, think of JJ tearing up the asphalt with raw drag power that means plenty. It's like Larry Jeffers' cars, built to gap the competition and leave them in the dust. PSM, powerful street machines. We're talking about the muscle cars that define street racing, are powerful, mean machines ready to dominate. Like Larry Jeffers' race cars, every build's a powerhouse designed to keep that cash flowing. Custom rockets. These ain't your average rides, they're custom rockets built for speed and precision. Just like how JJ customizes Olay Heavy for those high-speed runs, Larry Jeffers crafts rockets on wheels that scream down the strip. Drag secrets. Every racer's got those secret tricks that give us the edge. It's like JJ's crew keeping Olay Heavy running smooth with their drag secrets, while Steve Petty tunes engines to uncover that winning formula. CWBS, crazy wheels, big slicks. Picture the scene, JJ's crew with crazy wheels spinning, big smiles all around as they tear up the streets. Steve Petty's tuning ensures those big slicks hook up perfectly for maximum grip and smiles after every race. PSM, power, speed, mayhem. When we're out there, it's all about power and speed, chasing that rush of adrenaline without the mayhem. Larry Jeffers builds cars that embody power, speed, and the thrill of pushing the limits. Drag acceleration. Feel that acceleration as you hit the strip, leaving everyone else in your rearview mirror. It's like driving a Larry Jeffers machine built for drag acceleration, handling those G-forces like a champ. Speed acceleration. This is where the heart races and the engine roars, chasing that speed and feeling that acceleration kick in. Larry Jeffers cars deliver unmatched speed and acceleration, pushing the boundaries of performance. Earn a drag. You gotta hustle hard to earn your spot on the drag street, just like JJ and the crew do in Memphis. It's about grit and determination, earning every inch of that drag with every run. Drag strip. It's where we showcase our skills, hitting the drag strip with style and precision. From start to finish, Larry Jeffers' cars shine on the drag strip, delivering peak performance with every run. There you have it, folks. Remember these wild stories, and you'll be racing through those mnemonic phrases like a pro. JJ and the crew would be proud.